Hey, DNA and Jude here, RVers Life. We are at Sweet Creek Trailhead, which is one of the most popular hikes in the area. We're probably, I don't know, half hour, 40 minutes from Florence, our home base. And this is inland. I'm not going to film the whole way, but this is a waterfall trail, so I'll be back with some waterfalls. Here we are at this bridge. And so I was just going to give you a view all around because this is such a gorgeous spot. I mean, we are literally 1 minute or two into this hike in the forest. Water everywhere, and it's definitely babbling. I think a sound that brings joy anywhere, anytime. A catwalk that goes right along the edge of the mountain here. There's more waterfalls. More waterfalls. This is in no way a disappointing hike, I can tell you that. Again, I doubt we're half a mile in. Well, we got to where the bridge is out and we can't continue. We met some people in the parking lot that said that it was not out, but I guess they didn't come this far.
It's definitely out.
It's definitely out, can you see? So, we're going to turn around and go back, but this is one I would look forward to again. And I also believe there might be a place where we can get on it a little further up, so we'll check that out. The only near calamity so far, there's DA, was when I dropped my phone down the side of a hill, but, well, not really a hill, a bank. But crisis averted, all is well. We found the second trail, so here we go. This is the view of the lower part of the falls. Again, it wasn't a long walk, and this one was even easier than the first one, but I'll talk about that a little later when we sum it all up. Okay, we're headed back to Florence, and I was just going to do a quick summary. The entire trail is, I believe, 2.2 miles, and I'm going to link a trail description and all the details in the description. But the way we did it, which was walk a ways, go back, get the car, move it up, and walk again, was probably close to 2 miles. Anyway, it's a definite must-see if you're in the Eugene, Mapleton, Florence area. Anything to add to that, honey?
It's the gnome forest.
It's the gnome forest. Merlin identified a couple of birds for us, and so I'll include that in the description too. There were just a couple. We heard others, but with the roar of the water, Merlin couldn't identify them. Still a huge, successful day for us. Just wonderful, and we'll be back here, I'm sure.